What is up, everybody? It's CampingRandy here, campingrandy.com. Today we're going to put in the Molle Panels, whatever you want to call it. Right here, all you're going to need is your trusty Honda T30. If you don't have these, I offer the sockets. They'll be in the link in the description. Let's check these babies out. Oh my, look at those. They even got the little mounting on them. Oh yeah. Let's install these puppies. And yes, for the faint at heart, it does come with instructions. All right, let's see how difficult this is. It's kinda, you can do it with a screwdriver. It's not that bad. Get a socket if you want. Ooh, that one's a little tight. We got it loose though. All right, I'm gonna do the other two. Do the other 4 over here. We'll install it and we'll be right back. I took the old ones off and I do like how it has fit holes, and then there's a little piece of felt on it to, you know, keep from vibrations. And then on the back of these, you're gonna have rubber grommets. So always gotta love that Honda technology. Also, the top of the T30 fits perfectly. Where am I at? Fits perfectly in the hole. Look at that. By the way, these are nice and powder coated. I've been hitting them and they don't scratch. And that is it. Check it out. Let's go get a CampingRandy First Aid Kit and throw it on there and see what it looks like. All right, that's the finished product. Check that out. Amazing. And then over here, we have CampingRandy's favorite first aid kit. Link in the description. Check it out. Guys, we are going to be bringing you tons and tons of Passport accessories and add-ons, so stay tuned. Every week a new video. Absolutely loving the Passport. Don't let the haters who complain about the little things change your mind. This is the best off-road SUV that Honda has made to date. I can't wait to see all the adventures everyone takes in these. And speaking of that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us, Instagram, Facebook, and as always, enjoy the adventures.